Center 2103, status check.
Welcome to another edition of Trapr Mike's Outdoors. Last weekend in February, last weekend I should say, of rabbit and squirrel hunting. Gonna try my hand at a few rabbits out here in this area behind me. Southland Sportsman's Club owns it. A lot of snow out there. I got my snowshoes on. We'll see how it goes. I just might go out there and find a stump to sit on and weigh it out. Well, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's about 8 degrees. A little wind out here. Should be really calm inside the woods though. Now my weapon of choice today, I got the New England Firearms single shot 20 gauge with 22 adapter single shot. So we're gonna try to get a rabbit using that. Once I get set up, I'll set the camera up and let you all see what it looks like inside the woods. Well, about a half hour into the hunt here, I ran right across this. Definitely a lot of bunny tracks and bunny sign around here. I'll show you. This is where the rabbits hole up when it's really cold out. They burrow down into the snow and get underneath the snow. That one goes down about 1.5 feet. Another one here looks like a bunny. I don't know what that is. I really don't know what that is. I think it's deer poop. There's another bunny hole down underneath there. And when they come out, see all the bunny tracks around you. There's a bunny run. Come to this hole right there. And over here they're eating bark off the tree. It's about the only thing that they can get. No color out here. White, gray, and brown. I don't even see any black. White, gray, and brown. So, let's get on hunting here and see if I can find a rabbit or two. Maybe scare one out of a hole. Kind of anxious to try out my new 22 long rifle adapter in my 20 gauge. See how that shoots. Haven't seen any rabbits or squirrels yet. A lot of tracks though. They might be coming out a little bit later this afternoon. Once the sun goes down, squirrels might come out to see what they can see. Snow is really deep though. Snow is deep here. This is another area. This is another area, the same hunting area. Looks like about 20-25 years ago they planted a bunch of evergreen trees in a row here. It goes that way about 75 yards. And it opens up. There's some walnut trees that they planted. It goes this way about 200 yards, 200 or 300 yards. Kind of a nice area. Boy, look at that sky. Clear sky today. Clear sky. Right now there's no wind in here. No wind at all. I guess I'm fortunate to live where I live. This area is about 2.5 miles away from my house. A nice short drive or a long walk. Never walked out here. One of these days I'll walk out here. Walk out here and walk back. That's 5 miles. It's gonna be a long without walking around out here. No, I think I'll drive out here. And behind me, here comes a snowmobile. About it. Well, continue on, see what I can see. See on the next video clip.